Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV Premier. This hatchback is powered by a fully electric motor paired to a 1-speed transmission and also qualifies for the PST tax exemption for electric vehicles. Looking at the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, nicely protected by this cargo cover. You can also lift up the bottom tray for additional storage. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows. The BOSE premium sound system. On the back of the steering wheel is a paddle for your regenerative braking. The front has your heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, cruise control, your favorite options, as well as your hands-free audio and display controls. This vehicle currently has 62,692 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit which shows your battery settings and heated front seats. You also have your climate controls, stereo controls, and traction control along with sport mode. Here's your gear select, 2 USB ports, and phone holder. This vehicle also has this nice gray leather seats. Moving to the back of the interior, you have 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip-down cup holder in the center, access to 2 USB ports, as well as a seat pocket in the back of the front passenger seat. If you'd like to see this 2019 Chevrolet Bolt EV Premier in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.